How to change page size in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your MS Word document. From the top ribbon, simply go to Layout and choose the option of Page Size. Once you do, you will see a drop-down menu of different page size. Simply click any one of it according to your desire. Now to automatically change the size of page, simply click on File option at the top left corner, go to Advanced, and then you will see the Scale Content for A4. Simply toggle this feature on and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can change paper size in MS Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.